Um, my computer crashed. Can you guys hear me? Um, Brutus. Do you want to make that PC build soon for me? Do you guys want to make that now? You working on it right now? I think I need that. I'm pretty sure my CPU just overheated again. 'Cause my computer is hot. I just brought in just like a room fan and I'm just aiming it right at my computer now. I don't know if that's actually gonna help. Oh yeah, I'm convinced my we could check. We could check what it's at right now, but I'm sure it's much cooler now that it had a sec to chill. This wouldn't be the first time my computer crashed from CPU overheating though. It's happening more frequently. What is fan? Let's get fan control up in here. Are my fans on full blast? Okay, my max temp right now is in the 80s, so it's better right now. Oh, yeah, they're on full blast. Oh, wait. Oh, for some reason, it just isn't running. I guess because it's doing okay right now. Okay. I'm watching closely now. Gotta be careful how many things I have open, apparently. Also, something happened to my Streamlabs and it just is not saving settings. It's really annoying. Is there like a save? Like it should just save, right? Something's fucked. Not just saving. That's pretty dumb. You said reusing GPU? Yeah. Yeah, I'm using my 3070 Ti still. Anyways, where well, get some music back on. Oh yeah, fantastic thumbnails. That's what we like to see. Yeah, basically this menu, it keeps unchecking these. Every time I reopen, these are no longer checked. Don't know why. Okay, so you have need to know for form factor. Oh, I have what is it? Vantex Eclipse P350X mid tower. Have you bought a new? Yes. That's supposed to be PSU. Y is pretty close to you, I'm guessing. Oh yeah, PSU. Yeah, actually I bought a new PSU less than a year ago. I have a new one. Um yeah, this guy, where is it? I think I updated this build with it. Yeah, the Seasonic 750 watts. I hope I can use 750 watts. That would be insane if I had to use more. Semi-modular. It's really pushing it. Ew. That's actually insane. It's so much power, dude. Well, what? How much power? The 13900 or whatever, the Intel one, uses a fuck ton of power, right? Maybe I avoid that one. Or I guess I could just get another power supply, but I don't want to have to do that. Oh, it would suck. Okay, so anyways, what I was trying to say before my stream cut off is this is the Breath of the Wild shit I was looking at earlier to kind of get inspiration. Right, here we go. So they like, it's a little different because they have the character off to the side, but you like select an item and it shows it kind of in this like tool tab to the right. But I feel like this is more of a full screen solution, right? Like if you have a hover, if you have like a consolidated menu that doesn't take up the whole screen, then tooltip's probably better. Anyways, I'm pretty sold on tooltip for the whole item description and everything. Never buy what your power supply can theoretically, you know, you always buy more. Okay. Well, yeah. Well, I'll look at the build. If I feel like I need to get one, then I will. Also, my girlfriend is going to make a build soon, so I could give her this one. So it's not that big of a loss if I actually need to get one. Oh, the water's listed as the theoretical max load over time. I see. Okay, that makes more sense. So you don't want to just add up all your components and be like, oh, it's above. How much room do you want in general, do you know? Ah, fuck, dude. Oh, dude, since I moved the layers tab over to the left side like this, my life has been so much better in Photoshop. Holy shit. Although I don't know how to save a layout. I feel like I should probably know how to do that. Okay. Bag. Where's all our stuff here? Okay, we have inventory, and then we have... Let's just grab all this. We're gonna save all this stuff here. Make this item details. Actually, I think I already made something called item details, but well. Oh yeah. Oh, this is just gone now. Delete. This is it's still in question. I don't know if I actually like that or not. I think probably no. If we're gonna expand, we'll see. Anyways, bag. It should go in. This keybind spanner. Where is this, dude? Item details. Get away. Okay, good. The only thing is I don't want to overwhelm the user with inventory slots, so that is a bit of a concern. Like, I don't want to make this just like a trillion slots, dude, just thrown at them. 25%? Okay. Makes sense. Oh. Alright, Brutus got me a part. Are you gonna do an AMD build as well, or just this one? Okay, so this is not the 13900. I mean, how much worse is this one compared to like the 13900? You can do AMD? Okay, yeah, I think I'd like to see an AMD build too. $64 gigabytes of memory? Holy, wait. They have 32 gig sticks now of RAM? Jesus. I mean, I don't mind it. That's just insane that they have 32 gig sticks. Solid state drive. Yes, sir. Just getting 2. How much? Oh, 2 terabytes? Oh shit, yes. 2 terabytes of M2 is 119 bucks? Jesus, dude. You're getting pretty good at making this shit, I guess. Oh, 1400. Ew, Windows 11. M2 is cheaper than SATA? Oh shit. I swear I picked 10. Alright. I think I can use my current key. I should be good there. Anyways. At least that knocks off 150. How's my CPU doing? Oh god. I have 92. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I don't think I want to fuck with the 13900, dude. That shit just looks too gnarly for me. So I do like this build. But yeah, check out AMD one. Okay, so this is my problem now. I'm fine doing a little bit wider, like maybe another column. I'm a little afraid to do even more than this. It's also, I kind of hate having an odd number. So the next one would be I would have to go out to 8. But like, I mean, we could check out what it looks like. Also, we're definitely gonna just have to move this to the middle. I know that the inventory is just gonna be centered, but I'm wondering if we can add some frills on the side to just fill out the room a little better and then have like only a 6-row inventory. But on the other hand, I guess this could work. It doesn't look horrible, right? Yo, is Gemini in chat? Gemini, what do you think? You think this is too many rows? Does this look like weird to you? Looks alright. I suppose we could always just do this, right? And then we can adjust it later. Like, it's not that big of a deal. If I think of a good way to, like, add some stuff on the side. I was just thinking, like, yeah, if we maybe... What could we... We could just, like, add some design on the side. I don't know. The rods and stuff just needs to get a tiny bit more to the right. The rods. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we'll center that. That's not... I haven't really put effort into that. Yeah, for some reason, why does it think it's this wide? Oh, it's because the item... Okay, yeah. Let's get that out of there. Yeah, that's pretty centered. PC part picker. Okay, you put down 7900. Why not 7950X? Also, I'm guessing 7900 and 7950 use the same socket, right? AM5. AM5. Okay. That was my only concern. I just want to make sure they use the same socket. I'm pretty sure when it's like when this socket came out. Comparable price the other one. It's noticed you use Brave too. Damn good browser. Dude, I love Brave. Brave is legitimately noticeably faster than Google Chrome. And at this point, it's the only reason I use it. But originally, I liked it for the privacy stuff, but I don't know if I can really claim that it's actually more private at this point. Yeah, so this is why I want to get AMD. Just so you guys know, this is the primary reason I want to get AMD right now, is they're on essentially equal footing in a lot of ways. But the AM5 socket literally just came out. which means I could buy probably a CPU in another 2-3 years. Or I could wait like 5 years, and if I want to like upgrade, then I could just like buy probably a CPU that gets released still like 2 years from now, and still have a nice upgrade on my CPU without getting a new motherboard. So just one of the reasons that I think it's kind of could be cool to buy AMD right now. Difference between 7900 and 7950 is 5% performance for over $100 difference. Yeah, that's true. Almost 200. Yeah, it's actually way more expensive. I didn't realize that. Yeah, you know, I think I agree. I would rather save 200 bucks. It's gonna shred whatever I have right now, so whatever. FCS, what's up, dude? Okay. Alright, thank you, Brutus. I will be ordering this stuff very soon. Yo, Chadster Unity, man. Yo, what's up, Mr. Bruce City Chad? Chatter, what's up? How we all doing? Build PCs. PC just works. Yeah, well, it's for the best, man. You don't gotta be a psycho like me. I mean, you know, my PC works. Well, actually, you know, it doesn't work. It's actually why I'm getting new shit. I have now had my computer, my CPU overheat on me twice in the last month, so I would say at this point my PC does not work as good as I want it to work. So I'm buying new shit. And I have not gotten a new CPU in like 7 years, so it's time. I have no qualms. I don't feel bad about it at all. I'm ready to spend a fucking G, dude. Ready to throw down. Not much, just looking to see how other people make games. Nice. Well, yeah, I'm making 3D game right now. It's like an RPG type game, open world. It's based all around fishing though. We're trying to keep the scope low scope, even though it's expanding every day that I work on the project. But it's just gonna be a chill fishing game. And right now I'm working on the UI. It is gonna be a fairly large, complex game, but like I'm trying to keep this scope fucking down. And the big thing is I'm not doing enemy AI. It's just like a fishing game. So that's gonna cut down on all that stuff huge. Hopefully I can actually finish a game for once in my life. Building a new PC from scratch next year. You gonna build it, Spader? Yeah, I'm gonna build it. Who else would build it for me? You know? Do people get, like, I guess people get people to, like, build it for them at their house? Does that actually happen? I guess that does happen. With the keyboard because I put in mode where each key press sends a wave of light. Oh my, okay, no. FCS, you're a psycho, dude. I was out here telling you that I'm a psycho, dude. No. You got the fucking wave RGB lights every time you press a key, dude. Okay, anyways. Let's check this out a little bit more. What else do we need here? I want to say that we should increase the size of our sorting just slightly. Maybe something like that. Oh, I don't know. Now it's kind of looking big, dude. That's maybe a little too big. I don't have anything else to add, dude. Let's build it. Let's ship it. Ready? It's time to fucking make the inventory in Unity. Here we go. Oh, this is gonna suck. You guys, this is literally like, I don't know if you guys realize, but making an inventory system is, it's up there with the hardest parts of making a game. If you use inventories in your game. It's easy to make it kind of work. It's hard to make it work real good. This guy went hard, $1,000 for a GPU. Dude, that's like not even that uncommon though anymore. Whose is this? What GPU is it? Oh. He's using a Radeon? Okay. Overpriced flagship? Yeah, like what is that, dude? Okay. I feel that. Alright, alright, alright. It's time to port, you guys. Let's port it over. I'm just gonna do the left side for now. I'm not really gonna fuck with the right side. I like lights. Yeah, I'm a fan of lights. I definitely don't want to overdo the lights, but I gotta have some, you know? You gotta have a few, dude. You have to feel like you're building a spaceship. If you don't feel like that, then you're doing it wrong. That's my opinion. Okay. Copy. Why? Wait. What? Dude. 80 by 82? What the? How did that happen, man? Wants to be 80 by 80. The fuck? Oh, but then we got the edge, so I guess. Oh, that's maybe why it was 76 by 76. Oh wait, this is my canvas size, bro. What am I doing? This new layout's tripping me up. Do we have to go 76 by 76? Is that what it is now? Yeah, okay. Alright. Anyways. Ah, now it's 81 by 81. Cool. We can't be happy. Dog shit, dude. How does this even happen? How do you have all even numbers and it's 81 by 81? That makes absolutely no sense. How does this make any sense, dude? There. Oh. Wait, could this be why? Maybe it doesn't copy the... Yeah, so you see how it's like out... Weird. Oh, 75 by 75. You have a border of 4, you have to do 75 by 75 for some fucking reason. Oh, now it's oh, okay. There we go. Okay, we got it. Jesus, man. Took a little while. Okay. UI menus, player summary menu. Now it's making inventory. Inventory menu. Let's name this thing. Inventory slot. BG or just slot. Just name it slot. And then we'll also have like a highlighted version. Not really sure what that's gonna look like yet, but doesn't matter. Okay. No. Not save. No, 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 no. We need to save this thing. Okay, it just doesn't want to create. What in the hell is going on? Copy. There we go. God. Inventory divider. Alright, what else do we need from here? We already have this header image. That's like our general... Oh yeah, we need this background for like our keybind things. I think that's honestly it. I mean, I could import some of these, but these are just like placeholders. I guess I'll import a few. Fuck it. Okay, this is just gonna be 9 sliceable, so that'll be fine. Utero? What is that supposed to mean, dude? But anyways. What's up, J-Dub? Oh, what we saying? Different modes? Oh, is this the... Oh, yeah. Yo, shout out to Gemini, you guys. Make sure, if you want to check out a cool game that he's releasing in a month, click on that website and wishlist on Steam for our boy. What'd you make the site in, Gemini? Did you use something like generic, like Squarespace or some shit? Okay. Ebind, BG. Okay, and then we're just gonna import a few of these icons. I think I'm gonna try to make all icons 64 by 64 minimum, so let's just make that. And we'll scale them down, but just for so I remember in the future. Okay, this is gonna be like let's call it I don't really plan on having weapons, but anyway, let's call it rod rod icon, sortable sorting icon rod. Alright, I like that name. On sorting icon favorites. No idea how any of these will actually implement. Alright, boys, it's time to open up Unity. Here we go. I'm concerned that my computer's just gonna explode, so I'm gonna screenshot this shit and close Photoshop. Truly tragic what we're dealing with over here. Namecheap for domain and hosting, then made it via their website builder. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yeah, I guess a lot of web hosting services actually have like a website building, huh? Forgot about that. Should get a website, but that's like late stage shit. I'd much rather just get my shit on Steam. I'm working on getting this thing on Steam. Because I want it to be on Steam before we release the video. The video, dude, you guys, oh my god, the 24-hour video is a nightmare. It's so good, but oh my, it's such a bitch to make, dude. Like, this video is quite literally 10 times harder than any video I've ever made. Like, in terms of just raw number of hours I've had to put into it. That seems so deeply integrated at this point. I think it's difficult to do a test build. Jesus. Did I not open fishing? Or Zen Fisher? Here we go. Alright, let's see. How's a CPU doing? Oh, we're doing good right now. We're at 70. 70C. Actually doing good. Maybe it's that beast Photoshop file. That Photoshop file is insane. Good? Good for mine, okay. Alright, here we are in Unity. By the way, I got all the tabs working, you guys. Look at these tabs. I also expanded the number of tabs, so we're gonna have summary. Yeah, this is gonna be so hard to make all this shit, man. We're on tab 2. But I think honestly, after I make the inventory tab, oh, I do want to make the collection tab. I'm gonna make the inventory tab and the collection tab, and then I'm gonna do other stuff. That's my plan. At 35. Sheesh. Oh, I can't wait to get a new build. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm excited. Okay, here we go. Oh, dude, okay, so for the inventory, we definitely have to create our own, like a totally new, what's it called? Like a template, like its own file, right? Like its own UXML. Definitely gonna do that, especially because that'll allow it to be portable to other projects really easily, so. Yeah, let's get into it. Menu options. Menu player info. Menu player summary. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna basically pick this guy. We're just gonna basically make a new one of these guys. It's menu inventory. Okay, so we're gonna make something like this. Menu left container, menu right container. Let's make this like 8. How big is, oh fuck, see, I closed out of Photoshop. I shouldn't have done that. Gonna open up Photoshop again. Fuck it. Just don't skip the PSU. Alright, I won't skip the PSU. Fuck, that bums me out that I need to get a new one, but I guess it's, you're right, you're right. Not gonna debate that. Does there need to be like an additional, like, I just kind of feel like there should be an additional thing around this sometimes, but I guess that's an easy thing to add later if I really want to. I just want to import this shit. Width, okay, the width is 800. Alright, thanks, man. Inventory right container. Okay, and then we're gonna have this actually use, yeah, info container. I'm getting decent in UI Builder now. I'd say I'm like at a decent level. Wait, what? That is way wider than 800. There we go. Okay, what is this one? We'll say it's 500. Okay, so then in terms of alignment, we're going to center those. We are going to do... Or do we want to do space between? Space around. I think space around is the one we want there. Center. There we go. Ah. Isn't UI Builder nice when you actually know how to fucking use it? Crazy. Okay, so then you can do slices, by the way. I learned the other day, I think it was actually off stream, that so under background you can do the slice, and this is all in pixels. So you just have to it's a little kind of, I was hoping that it actually would support like sprites, and it says it does. You can do sprites and it works, but it doesn't actually carry through your sliced values from the sprites. So yeah, you just can't use sprites in that way. So you have to come in here and you have to manually set it. For this one, it's really easy. It's just do 20 on everything. And that's inside of all the corners, so then you're chilling. Found out how to overwrite the colors used in VS Code themes. Kind of handy to tweak them. Oh, that's pretty nice. You don't use... What? Do you use like a theme? Dude, you should use the Atom 1 dark theme. Or are you saying like you tweak them from like a base theme configuration? Yo, what does middle mouse button do in Photoshop? It's a travesty that in Photoshop, middle mouse button does nothing. We should be able to just drag. Just pan, free pan. Crazy that doesn't exist. Okay, so let's put a little header in. I think this is the header. Info container header, yeah. I'm gonna copy this in. Wait, this one wasn't actually slicing? What the fuck? Missed that, I guess. Okay, so in an ideal world, we would what, have this grow to the size? Auto. And grow. Does that even work? No. Alt or control click to pan. Dude, let's see. Alt. Alt click does not work. Control click doesn't work. Shift click doesn't work. Shift. Nothing works, dude. If you can figure out how to do that for me, I would be so amazed. I've never figured it out. This should just be able to expand, dude. Oh, it's because it's absolute. Okay. This font's a little weird, but we're not worrying about that shit right now. Okay. What is this actually? Is this menu settings header to label? Let's go into that one real quick. I think like hopefully we should just be able to do I figured out something that makes this look a lot better actually earlier. It's if we do word spacing like -4. Oh, cool. That doesn't actually help. Oh, not word spacing. Letter spacing -4. There we go. Now it's a little closer together. I think that looks better. Okay, we have our bag in here. Using a GUI for CSS would be weird to me. Well, yeah, it's not weird to me because I never fucking learned CSS. You can use it though. UXML preview right here. If you wanted to do it in Unity like this, you could. Here it is. This menu is absolutely fucked. And then the style sheets, you can also fuck with those. Sometimes I come into the style sheets here and mess with them manually because it's a little easier. In some cases. Hold spacebar. What? Oh. Oh, thank you, dude. Oh, it's so nice. But why not middle mouse click? Yo, do you think I could define, let's ask ChatGPT. This is worth. Can I define middle mouse button and photo spark? Polar Moth, what's up, dude? Dude, we're just making more UI. That's all I'm doing these days. I'm just a fucking UI monkey. Okay, yeah. Dude. Can you reassign hotkeys in Photoshop? Edit keyboard shortcuts. I am getting much better in Photoshop, I'll say that. Photoshop was a fairly weak part of my skill set before I did this. But, like, I mean, to be honest with you guys, like, this. Sorry, which one? This right here. This is my best piece of UI work that I've ever done. By like a fucking long shot. And I also did it right because it's fully editable still. Like I could come back and make any type of edit. It's nothing is rasterized, baked in. So I was also trying to make a point to do it that way. Edit keybinds. Shortcuts. You know what I need to do? Is export, quick export as PNG. We need a keybind for that shit. What do you guys think? Control Shift E or something? Merge visible? Like, will I ever need that? Or do I just Control E? No, we want that one. Wait, what? Polar Mouth, what are you working on, dude? Still doing some game dev tonight? Write down what you change, especially if you overwrite. Alright. Also, I'm trying to find one that isn't. What about Control Alt E? Merge a copy of layers? Dude, what are all these fucking random ass things? I would do something else, but like it's just like Control Alt D. Like I'm never gonna remember that. Alright, I'm gonna do Control Shift E. Merge visible. I literally never use this, and I never plan on using this. Alright. I wrote it down. Merge visible. Like, yeah, it's not a keybind I'll ever use. Alright, because this is nice. Now I can do... Oh, that's nice. Quick export. PNG. It's gonna save some time, dude. You guys have any idea how many times I do that command in Photoshop? But anyways, I was doing this for a totally different reason. I got sidetracked. Is there a way to like search? What would this be in? Is it in window? Oh, you know, I have a good idea. What if we do... Yeah, I don't think you can change it. Damn. Starting a Godot project and just following in the video for now? Oh, wait. Was that you? Was that you who asked in the Discord the other day about what a good cross-platform game engine is? It was, right? So you got Godot going? How do you like it? Tech support, what's up, dude? Spotter. Look at that sexy icon next to your name, dude. Rosh over on YouTube says, why not Unreal? I don't know. I just learned Unity and I'm sticking with it. I think both are solid. Nothing wrong with using either one. You asked about a small game engine. Oh, okay. I feel like Godot's a lot lighter than Unity and Unreal, right? So I think that's a pretty good choice. It also has a pretty full suite of features. Alright, yeah, I don't think we can change this, unfortunately. But at least I know that now. That's really nice. Gotta remember it. This bitch. Why didn't this not expand? What's the difference? Oh, auto. Auto and grow? Control copy. Control paste. Good. Gear. Okay. Erndem says, anybody from India? Yeah, dude, there's like the majority of YouTube chat is from India. At least lately. I think it must be the time I stream. It's like morning over there, right? If I go super lightweight, there's a thing called GB Studio. Next board, dude. How's your shit going? You making progress? Okay, I think inventory should include this. So it's time to make our separate inventory file. Should include the sorting. It's gonna interact very closely with it, so. Okay, Brutus possibly convinced me earlier when we were chatting, but I might try to make this on the Unity Asset Store. We'll see. UI Builder inventory, and then I'll just have like the basic version for free. But then I can include like sorting shit and splitting in a paid version. I don't know. We'll see. That's the kind of the plan. I'm gonna try to make it pretty good. It might just turn into a disaster though, and not something that I actually want to publish, so we'll see. Okay. So we're gonna make a visual element. We are going to create a template. We're gonna call this. Oh god, can't believe I'm starting this. This is gonna suck, you guys. This is gonna suck. We're gonna get this. G, so then we're gonna have a trying to decide. I think basically this will be a series of column elements with 2 elements in each column. Just hide the text if it's not selected. So let's call this like see, this is the part that I'm worried about trying to universalize this shit for like other people is like I want to call this like a specific thing. That has to do with like my game. But it does complicate things a little bit. Makes things pretty annoying. Like right, I want to call this rod sorting. Gotta go, we'll be back soon. Alright man. See you soon. Oh, you know what? You know what I need to start doing on YouTube? I made a picture of this earlier, but basically we need to oh, it's actually a pretty good thumbnail right now. But we just need to throw thumbnails on. Thumbnails like gets me so much more traffic. I think I'm just gonna have like a like a general screenshot I put up every time. So I can do it real quick. There we go. What kind of anime? I don't watch too many animes, but I've watched Sword Art Online and Attack on Titan. Those are the most recent ones. Anyways, I'm just gonna do this for myself, and like if I have the bandwidth to universalize this shit later, like I will, but I think that's how I'm gonna approach it. I'm gonna try to write it as clean as I can, but I want to sort by like rods, right? That's very specific to this game. So seems like I'm missing points. Wait, what? Are you? Sort by rods. Okay, we have a label and visual elements. Okay, we're also gonna create a new USS for this. Brutus, question for you, Mr. Web Dev. Do you abbreviate your variable names that are labels for labels as LBL? Or do you spell that shit out? So I'm gonna do. This is gonna be very standard text. Whoops. Rarely ever abbreviate anything. Yeah. I'm the same way, but there's certain things that I find like background, like you must abbreviate background, right? Do you actually still have background all the way? I've been abbreviating background as BG. There are a very particular set of things that I will abbreviate, but I rarely do. Like, say I wanted to say inventory standard background. Would you actually do this? Or would you just say BG? There's some point at which you know, like, abbreviating things makes it more readable. I generally err on the side of almost never, but there are a few cases that I will. No, because that isn't how things are referenced in web dev. All right. I'll just spell it out. Label. Label's only 5 letters. Something like background to BG though, I'll do that. Okay, we're also gonna have another visual element here. This is gonna be sorting container. I think we're gonna have things centered in general here. Okay. Then this will be I'd never be referencing a background in code. Yeah, I had a feeling you might say something like that, to be honest with you, because like the very little I know about web dev, like there's not that type of referencing going on very often, where you like creating like explicit variable names. And most used word in UI is probably container. Well, Brutus. Looks like I'm joining the club. Look at my fucking naming conventions. Yeah, containers are just absolutely everywhere. Seem like you're confusing JavaScript and CSS. They're completely separate. No, I'm not confusing them. But maybe I'm talking about CSS when I should be talking. Maybe I'm asking what you're doing in CSS when I should be asking what you're doing in JavaScript. But like I thought my question, the reason I like asked it in that way was because like here I am naming style sheet variables, right? So I was just wondering if like you did the same type of thing. Like if you're working in CSS, you have style sheets, right? You're saying that you don't have a similar type of workflow where you're like naming variables in like USS like this in my style sheet. I guess my style sheet's empty. GG's. It should not be empty. Oh, there we go. Okay. Like, cause it's like a parent. There's like parent and child names. You know. I'm naming this selector. Any results for icons? Fuck. Sorting, that's what it is. Sorting. Go. Have a sorting icon. I'm gonna try to create a style sheet for almost everything here, so it's like super customizable at the end. So this will be 64. I think honestly something like this could actually pop off on the Unity Asset Store if I did it right, because with the style sheets you could just show a video of how to like come in here and adjust the style sheets. Right, there'll be like maybe 10 or something total selectors, and then like you just show a guide of like how to import your own images in and how to adjust these, and you can make a totally customized inventory. I don't know, that could be pretty cool. That is the reason UI Toolkit is powerful. Oh, is this getting expanded? Why does it look so big? How big were these? Okay, I guess let's make it like 34. Not sure why Unity went with a different file extension. Great example. Oh, like why did they name it a USS? What is it? What is the is it .css? Is that what a style sheet file is? I think they're just calling it a Unity style sheet. It's kind of stupid, yeah. Now that I think about it. Oh, you're just saying like a style sheet would be a .css, right? This is .uss. Yeah, that's pretty dumb. I think I agree with that. That is pretty fucking stupid. Okay. Unnecessarily confusing. Okay, so the all elements should be like centered. Centered? Oh, that's there we go. Okay, nice. This should be why are these like is it 'cause it's growing? There we go. Okay. I don't like that. I don't want them to be spaced differently based on that. That's annoying as shit. Alright, we'll deal with that in a sec. Annoying. We'll come back to this. Okay, let's make the actual inventory now. Let's call this inventory container. We need like a meme for it at this point, dude. Container. Okay, and then we're going to add a... We're gonna have to have a slot at some point, which I think is now. So we're gonna create a template. Oh, so many files, dude. It's so hard to manage so many files. Slot. This is gonna be... What the fuck? That is weird as shit. Okay. Okay. Inventory slot. Here we go. Okay, we'll make this 80. We are. Forgot we gotta do something with those imports. Where are you? Where are ye? Collections? No. Inventory? All these guys. Move Matt. Oh, okay, we got some stuff in here now. It's coming. Do you know how the Marvels game? No, we don't. How do we get that? I saw some streamer doing it. I don't really understand it though. So we're also gonna have to have like a hover and everything. Should I make the hover now? I'm worried. I guess why not, right? It's easy enough. So, okay, this container needs to be sorting this way. Oh shit. What? How does it work though? I don't get it.
Already joining into the field of dreams. Viewer experience intense visual simulations. Play now just by searching for Marbles on.
What I don't but like what is it? What's the point of it? I just don't understand. What does it actually do? Is each person in chat a marble? Is that how it works? Okay, so then I think like maybe a margin here. I think a margin's gonna be what we want. Let's try a margin of 2. Nice, perfect. Okay. My only question, okay, so if I hover, okay, it keeps that. So it just overrides this hover rule. Because the hover doesn't actually have any style. I think that's why. CSS confuses the shit out of me, dude. I don't understand the hierarchy. Okay, that's pretty fun. Should I download it? Okay, so we have to make this. This is a thing that I don't really understand how to do. I feel like you almost just have to force it. To like a certain size, and then it will like do more rows. So it would be, I guess it would be cool if I like wrote up a custom container. Yeah, see, I don't know how to make like these bindable things. I know that tabs have this shit, but it's confusing as fuck. See, I feel like if I was gonna make something that I published, I would have to actually create a real like a real custom element for the inventory. I mean, I can do whatever I want in C# with it, but it's not like it's not gonna show up in here. And I feel like that will make people kind of shy away from it a little bit. I could make a main mono behavior, but then you have to connect it to a specific UI document, and you can only have one UI document live at a time. So Yeah, I don't know, man. And I just, for the life of me, I can't really understand what the fuck is happening. Like, with this tab, this is like a totally like custom element where they, right, they have like is reorderable here. That's like just like a custom value that they've defined. But like you go into this class and it's just so confusing, man. See if I can make any sense of it. Probably just missing something really simple. Base bindable. Right, so I have a class right down in here called inventory. We can do this generate .gen.cs. Oh shit. Yeah, it's gonna complain at me though now. It's one of the most annoying things about using this Toolkit Plus, but God, is it worth it? Oh, I'm being stupid. It is actually the inventory. It's just that all these are named the same thing. Can I like not name it something? Oh, you can. The multi-select. God, I hate fucking UI Toolkit. Always trying to figure shit out, dude, and then it just takes me forever. If I just hack together a game, dude, I could do it like 10 times faster. So many things, like, let me show you guys an example of like what I'm talking about. This earlier, this init player info menu, this creates the tabs, and then it creates it does a register value change callback, and then it passes in the tab that got clicked, and then, you know, passes in the events. So then, you know, I have down here, like, I haven't done anything with it yet. We're going to, but then it just like logs the tab name. And this shit, like, the way I did this, it took me probably like 30 minutes to figure it out because I had to like realize that there's like this tab group that gets created that has a content create container for all of these. And then I was actually able to loop through it and get the tabs from all those and do it this way. But before that, I had it working and I was just manually like using the already defined ones. So that's first solution I did took like literally 5 seconds and I was done and it was working. But then I did it this way because I was like, oh, what if I add more tabs? Which actually I did add more tabs. But it still wasn't even worth it because if I added more tabs, I could just come in here and change it in like 1 second. So I don't know. These are the kind of things that are like, they're nice to do, these optimizations, and they do make the code more scalable and less buggy and all that shit, but this solution took me 30 minutes, and the one I already had was done in like 1 minute. So if I just did that constantly, dude, I'd be done with the game like tomorrow, I think. Microwaddle, what's up, dude? Over on YouTube. How's your night going? Or morning? Or afternoon?
whatever time it is. We're building a inventory right now in Unity. So yeah, anyways, I was trying to figure this shit out. I don't know, maybe I take a little stab at this stuff. This is like the next level of UI builder for me, is learning how to do these like bindable things. Base bindable, like what does base bindable mean? We have is reorderable here. Base bindable. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what this does. I don't know what base bindable is. Shit is so confusing to me. I think this... Oh, this is still so confusing, dude. Crashed again? Wait, what? Am I lagging or something? I think I'm good. It says the stream is live. Oh. Wait, what the fuck? Yeah, my viewers just went to 0. What the hell? What happened? I didn't notice anything happened. What the fuck? Weird. Oh, let me make sure my CPU isn't like fucking doing something crazy. Nope. We're cool right now. Weird, dude. Do I do this, you guys? I love just wasting time and just fucking learning new things. I hate that I just said that in the same sentence, but I kind of want to just create like a really simple custom UXML class. I feel like if if I can understand this shit, then the world is mine in UI Toolkit.
Colonel, I'm trying to sneak around, but I'm dummy thick, and the clap of my ass cheeks keeps alerting the guards.
Haters love Mateo. Thank you for the follow. That's number 615. Let's go, boys. How's it going, dude? What is this saying? Oh, I actually didn't know you could do that. That's cool. That's not what I want to learn. Here, they create a pie chart graph. Let's see. What? Style text with rich text tags? I should look into that a little more. Oh shit. Oh, like there's like strike throughs and everything. Gradient? You can apply a color gradient to text? Wait, that's what I wanted to do. I literally wanted to do this. Because we have a gradient here on the text. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna remember that. You can rotate text. Add a custom style to text. Okay, that's cool. Color gradients. Wow, that's pretty cool. Create a tab menu for runtime. Create a custom control with 2 attributes. See, this is what I need. Actually, I want to be credited as Vader's savior. What, for all the UI help you gave me? What are you talking about here? My elements, visual elements. Yeah, okay, so then you do this UXML factory shit. UXML, okay, so it's this. It's just there's like UXML designated variable names or attributes. Let's just try this. I think I understand it now. It's like really not that hard. Custom... Custom label. I have no idea. No idea what I'm doing here. YouTube curator idea generator. Photoshop shortcut help. Okay, you know what? I'll give you some credit on that one. That one's gonna help me quite a bit. This is called what? Custom label. Must expose your element class to a get set property that has the same name. I don't understand essentially any of this code. I don't get what the fuck is happening in here. We're creating a new class inside of this custom label class, which inherits from UXML factory with an input of custom label and UXML traits. Like, I just don't understand what's going on here or why this is happening. I guess this is just its way of creating some elements in the UXML factory. I don't know. Fucking boilerplate shit. Okay, but we should be able to see custom label now. The shortcut is, don't tell me it's fucking middle mouse button, I swear to God. You fucking tell me that right now. Alright, let's see if, you know, we're not seeing the customs. Custom controls. Oh, it's right here actually. Yeah, custom label. Nice. So yeah, if we throw custom label in, I'm actually pretty stoked that this works. It's not hard at all to create this shit. I don't think we did anything except for this. I don't know what's going on here. Init. Oh. Okay. Right, because we inherited from UXML traits. So we're just calling the base init function on that, probably, right? Then create a custom label. And then we just have our two variables, yeah. Fuck is 8, dude? ATE. Anyways, now we can create a custom elements, and we can set here, and then we have our exposed string and our exposed integer. That's pretty fucking sick. So, okay, you know what? We might be able to do this shit. The reason I was doing this is because I wanted to essentially just import two integers. One, which is, well, actually, probably just one. Just the column number for the inventory, right? That's like all I wanted. Mouse button, fucking hell. What is wrong with Photoshop, dude? Get with the times, Photoshop. Adobe's lagging. No way. This is so cool, dude. Oh my god, we can make custom C# visual elements now. Okay, I'm just trying to tie this back though. So yeah, the only issue is like we could make a number there, but then how are we actually gonna like start our new row? I think that then it gets pretty complicated, you know. Could we do this? How would we do this? We don't have a whole lot of options, man. Like the only thing is like the width. But then the width has to be aware of not only the number of columns you want, but also that means it has to be aware of the size of the slot, which makes it infinitely more complicated. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna happen. But hey, at least we learned that. That's a good little trick. I could definitely imagine wanting to make some really simple things and just expose a few fields here. I'll have to get better though before I do something this complex. Dude. UI Builder could be so good, man. It could be so good. I really hope Unity fucking keeps updating this shit more. They have a roadmap on it, so it's supposed to. Yeah, you can't really tell it to like flex up. Oh, yeah. No, yeah. You could give it a max size, but that comes back to the same issue. Yeah. Pretty much no matter how you slice it. Then I also don't even know, like, if you were even to set a max, like, width, how that would even work. Like, I don't know how you would actually populate that field in here. Try asking ChatGPT, dairy. What if we make this a float? And we ask ChatGPT. There's no way it's gonna get this right. Actually, I'm gonna go to find. Find, this is a tough one. There's some type of grid layout that lets you define max rows columns. Dude, no, it's actually not in UI toolkit. It fucking sucks. It's in the normal Unity UI, yeah, but there isn't like a grid layout. Maybe Brutus knows. Brutus, do you know, is there like a grid layout in standard, like, I don't know, maybe I don't even know what I'm talking about, but like in CSS, is that like what you would call it? Like the visual layout? Like, is there a grid layout for like CSS? CSS grid is a thing. I bet there's a custom element, man. Side, there's also flex. Flex is like, yeah, but like flex like it like creates a grid, but it's based off of like the size, right? Like it. I wish there's a grid control in Unity. It's actually, for the UI toolkit, it's probably one of the worst missing features. It's got to exist somewhere. Like someone's written GitHub code. Okay, let's modify the custom label class to change the value of style with property. Huh, really? Wait, you can just do that? Oops. There's no way this works, right? It works. What? It actually works. No fucking way. That's crazy. A little weird though. Oh no, it live updates. I just don't know if it updates. It doesn't update this until you like click away from it. But I guess that's not a huge issue. Yeah, man, we need grid. Should we look, search up a grid? I don't know. I'm hesitant to push forward. I'm not. I mean, like we could do this. It would be so easy. Again, I'm just like over. I'm being over. Sword. I'm over optimizing everything by so much. Because I could just come in here and set the width and be done with it right now. We could just do it. It would work. But I'm trying to see if we can kind of build in like an easy control for custom grid. But, I mean, if you think about this, like, right now, if we were to put all these inside here, let's see how this works. Oh, no. I thought it would have, Huh. That's pretty weird. Why does it do that? Wrap? Oh, maybe it's because we need a wrap. Yeah, okay. There we go, wrap. So, yeah, we can effectively control it now, right? There you go. Basically, we basically created a grid layout, except right now we're just controlling the width. It's not quite a grid layout because it's not taking in the value of the children objects. But that's pretty cool that we could just do that real quick. I don't know. You can start to see how this shit could become super powerful. The fact that you can like literally completely customize a UI element that shows up here via code like that, and it just pops up. Like, holy shit, man. I wish I was better at this. Do you think Fine can do it? XML factory grid layout. Sure, let's create a custom grid layout. You know. Right. We're gonna inherit from grid layout. Imagine. just feel like there should be good layout. Maybe I missed something. Grid layout, group equivalent, and UI toolkit. Yeah. Yeah. No built-in solution. Flexbox. No, this is normal UI. Yeah. Yep, I don't think it's possible. Not built-in grid solution. Like I said, dude, don't switch to fucking UI toolkit, man. I'm in over my head. Learning some cool things, but god damn, am I spending a lot of time doing this shit. See, did Find actually create this for us? Oh, wait. What is it doing here? Grid column count? Why is that not an exposed field for us, man? Literally in style. I swear to God, dude. I'm about to just create my own namespace and just start creating hella things using Find. Just a pea brain at this point, dude. AI can just shit on me. Grid layout. It's probably gonna like conflict with something, right? Probably make a namespace for that. What did I make my other one? Ginja Gaming? Or should I make it Spader? Should we make it Spader to bomb, dude? Fuck Ginja Gaming. Namespace Spader to bomb. How does this work? How do namespaces work again, you guys? uh... I have a feeling this isn't gonna work. Yeah, I don't think that works. Why does I have a problem with this? Okay with that, but where does it all go to shit? Doesn't like that now? Oh. Dude, hold on. What is happening? Yeah, it just doesn't like this. What the fuck? And I can't do this? I don't understand what's happening. Where is it breaking down? What is different between this and this? Class, custom label, visual element. Oh, is it this? Grid layout dot custom. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's because grid layout does not have .uxml traits.
Welcome home,
Find? Can you do this for me? Could you please provide, dude? Unity 2023.3.0. Sorry, 2022.0. UI toolkit, let's see. I wonder if there's an update. You think there's like a beta update I can have for UI toolkit? UI toolkit plus Unity UI. Oh, it's built in. Where is Unity UI toolkit? Git grid. Yeah. I think it's just wrong. This is just gonna be a flex box. Yeah, I've seen this one before. What? Yeah, dude. Shit is so fucking buggy. It's just a totally different solution. What? Hmm. Oh, it's because I told it to use something like this, I think. Damn it, dude. Annoying as hell. GitHub, grid layout. My last little... It's gonna be my last little venture. I can't find it. Oh, is this guy? Yeah. He has the fucking color picker. Pop-ups, tooltip. We might actually need this tooltip. That could be pretty nice. Blur glass effect. Elements examples. Let's check out this video.
And that just takes a copy. Furthermore, I use the text display object.
Wow, so old.
Every feature that value this return given the tank object is great on GUI.
Fuck that, dude. This is Unity UI. Awesome UI component library. What is this? Hmm. And UI Toolkit Plus. Well, you know what? I think I give up, you guys. I'm just gonna fucking force it to work. Fuck it. I'm done with this shit. It was a good little learning spree that we had, but I think it's over. I'm clearly not good enough at this. I am confused a little bit though, like this part. Yeah, see, it doesn't even contain a definition for this, so I don't know, dude. ChatGPT fucking failed us tonight, dude. It failed us hard. Style that grid column count, like where does it even get this shit from? I think it thought we could use the grid layout from the UI, Unity UI. And that probably contains something called grid column count, and then it just got fucking confused and thought I could apply it to this, but... It did, I don't know, did give us this other solution to create a custom element of the grid layout. Okay, custom grid. So what is that called? Yeah, builder. Yeah. I also don't even know how this is actually gonna work. Doesn't make any sense. This doesn't even make sense, dude. Okay. I give up. Okay. I am gonna keep this though. This is kind of nice to just have the custom label. It's not really a custom label, it's just custom elements. Elements. That's name, I guess. But that'll be a nice thing to just have in the back pocket in case we ever need to create something that's like we want to bind inside of UI Builder. Could be cases where we want to do that. Alright, what time is it? 12:33. Oh yeah, dude. We got nothing done tonight. Actually, nah, we got some stuff done. But yeah, we're just gonna do... This is 800. This is the easy solution. Clear that an hour ago. Or what? What is it inside of Photoshop? Oh no, I'm yawning, dude. Width is 800. So what? Yeah, let's see. I don't want that. But this should be centered. At any rate. I guess the width is not actually 800. Those are 80 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, they're definitely spaced further apart. Slot. Slot is going to be, let's give it a, yeah, 5 instead. Yeah, okay. Actually, that makes sense. Okay, then we'll go, inventory container. Let's make that like 750 or something. Oh, dude, wrap on this guy. Oh no, yeah, we didn't want to do 5. I want to do like 3. Okay, there we go. Tired? Yeah, I'm tired. I'm getting tired. Oh man. I've had fun tonight though. It's been a good night. I don't know. I feel kind of hyped. I feel pretty hyped about what I learned about custom controls. I'm just having trouble. I'm having trouble with like taking the leap to like really going all out and just like fully customizing things. It would be pretty rough to do what I actually want to do. I feel like, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I think they're. It basically comes down to like I think you need a proper grid layout. Because no matter what you do, like the grid layout is based on like the size of the child element. If you go with the width route that I was gonna try to go, so I feel like that's just not the solution you want. Preview. They all do their little hover thing. So, I mean, you know, we kind of have an inventory. Like, I just have to initialize 32 of them. We're good. Now, I did say we're going to make this scrollable, which makes it a whole lot more annoying. Boy, do I not want to do that. Should I just lock inventory at 32 spaces, dude? It's like having inventory upgrades in the game. It's good progression. I don't know if this game really needs something like that. You have some like major quests that do that or something, you know? You guys think scrollable or no? I should really future-proof it for that in case. Is everything hard? It's not that hard, right? Like, just annoying that already kind of geared this pretty specifically. Doesn't have to be. Just scroll. Well, I mean, okay, sorry, I don't mean scroll bar necessarily, just scrollable content. Same difficulty though. Unfortunately. Alright. We'll just do a little hide. little scroll, where are you? Scroll view. This is always the really fucking annoying thing, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it doesn't. What actually controls which direction it goes? It's a Unity content container? I think it's this. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Doesn't work, dude. Ugh, why does that not work? Yeah. That works. This doesn't. Why are my parent things not working? Pages? Oh. Actually, maybe that's easier, huh? Actually, yeah, dude. Let's do pages. Thank you, Brutus. Scrollbow's weird, huh? Also, pages is just easier to deal with. Also, pages is kind of more Minecrafty, right? It's the vibes we're going for. Alright, we'll make pages. Scrolling's annoying as shit. So we need an indicator though for it on here. I mean, it's kind of good. That adds a little more complexity to this, which I think we need a little bit of. Let's look at a little pages. Game. What is this? See any pages. This is a scroll bar. But yeah, actually, I agree with you, dude. I don't like scroll bar inventories. I think pages are just way cleaner. What it is, look like what we want. Hello? Is there any with pages, man? What did it look like? Inventories. Oh, this is an option. Oh, actually. Well, I mean, I don't really want it to look like this where it's like it slides over, but maybe like an arrow like this for different pages on the sides. I have a question. I don't think I had a specific question. I just was saying that I do like pages and I want to do pages. But I'm trying to figure out how to best like indicate going left, right, or whatever. Do you think like this, kind of on the sides? Oh yeah, where do we indicate which page it is though? This doesn't really tell us that. Skyblock inventory. How does it do it? Skyblock. Previous, next. So having like a page indicator and a previous and a next seems like a pretty good way to do it. I don't know how to do it this shit here though. Damn it. What if we did something like this? Say that's our little arrow over. It's like Pretty ugly, dude. Not gonna lie. I feel like there's a way to make it work. Maybe we bring these in a little more. We have a little page counter up here. That's like even with the rods. I don't know. Doesn't look too bad, but I feel like it needs to somehow be a little more clear that you can switch pages like that. I'm gonna go to bed. Anybody have any thoughts on this before I go? I do. Okay. This is my fucking rough draft, dude. This is all I could come up with. It's not good enough. Type it for you to read when you're not dead. Okay, fine. Alright, guys. I'm getting off in the night, then I'm gonna get some actual decent sleep, not go to bed at like 1:30 a.m. Peace. See you guys on a Tuesday night.